Today, we're designing a clean, minimalist line art logo combining a graceful leaf, a beer or wine glass, and a simple circular shape. I'll guide you through creating this perfect blend of nature and refreshment in Adobe Illustrator. Let's get started.